Welcome today in front of me HUAWEI Honor, and I'll show you how to change photo resolution on this device. So first you should go into the camera application, and then here tap on the right upper corner on the settings icon, and here as can you see we got the resolution section. So now we just got the 4 and 3. We can change that to the 1 and 1. That will be this form, and also we can change it to the just full screen photo. And also you can go back to the 4 and 3 resolution on our device. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.